Hi there, so this is Tathagat again. So in this video, the detailed migration is presented. So let's dive in. After the installation procedure is completed, you will be greeted with this message that you have completed the installation of 5.0.2 on your system, and you are ready to do that. So another cool thing about KiCad is it has an awesome 3D support, and we generally use FreeCAD to edit all the 3D symbols, right? And now that all the 3D symbols, the footprints and the schematic symbols are all on your system, right now it's a 5 GB installation size, so it's installed everything. So it still uses the GitHub, but now you have a local copy. You will not be affected by any dynamic updates. Only if you decide to again install your KiCad, the updated libraries will be pulled in. So it's better to maintain a personal library again. Yeah, so okay, so I just click on finish. Let's go and launch KiCad. This will be in the bin. KiCad. So yeah, so this one I'll kind of pin it to my taskbar. I think what I can do is drag. Yeah, there you go. Just opening it out. It's a brand new. So you see all the symbols have also got updated. Anyways, let's go to the preferences now. Let's go to the instructions. So select configure paths. So I think I should go there, and is there a configure path? Yeah, there you are. So everything is, so you have this Sky GitHub, it's still there. I think I'll just so symbol 3D, so everything has been updated here. So open eSchema. So let's open eSchema. eSchema is this, so I just new project, so I'm just creating a random new project just for updating the paths, right? So I just have to open this, the eSchema, copy default, so it's recommended. Okay, so let's do that, and then go to preferences, configure paths. It's still there, sorry. Yeah, so manage library symbols. So everything is yeah, so you see this is the KiCad symbol director, so that's actually getting everything from the local system. So you'll have global libraries and project specific libraries. So you could do one thing, you can actually just remove everything, because you would want to actually use, but for schematic it's mostly not an issue. You can just use that. So add your personal libraries to your global list. So yes, I should do that. Browse libraries. Yeah, so for me, I have my own personal projects. If you see, let's see this thing. Yes, so you see this, I have created an IP central library in which this is the symbol libraries. So I'll just open, and everything gets populated here. So what I can do is right now just copy just select everything which has an IP, and then I think I'll just move up everywhere. Can I move up like that? No, cannot. So okay, I cannot move up. Can I? I can try that. Let's see, move. No, you cannot. So I did that in the symbol table, right? So just click OK. So right now we have this. Once you press A, it'll just kind of load everything. So this keyboard shortcut is capital A or small a. So now everything is inside. So now if you see IP, let's say IP capacitor, right? Capacitor. So now, yeah, so everything from my capacitor library is so
my library actually has custom footprints, footprints already associated with it. Yeah, so, and also all the descriptions and the the package, the supplier, so it's pretty easy to source. So that way it's good, it's great. So we'll find a way now to populate these libraries on the top. Right now all the default libraries come into the way. So once you have that configured, so the best part is that once you configure for one project, it gets configured for all the projects, right? So you finish this now, right? You close EE schema. So you close EE schema and you now open PCB new. So this is the PCB editor. So once you open that, enable acceleration, yes please. So now that we have this is the new here. So you go to preferences and you manage footprints. So now again everything is now you again have the option of getting everything from the KiCad. So what I do generally is just remove everything, just remove library. So so I think Control A, is there a possibility? Remove library, everything gone, right? So yeah, so I need to browse libraries and add them. So it's in the F, I guess. D drive, 3D, hardware, IP, central library, and that's my footprint. So everything that I have created, I just put them in here. So now, cool, just press OK and you're good, right? So you just close that off. Now you have both the schematic and the layout configured. Cool. So yeah, so most of these things now what we can do is now I can open my existing project. Let's close that off, and now let's open up my new existing project. Let's see, open I think I'll just project here, go to the D drive. Yeah, it's where I've stored 3 watt. This is what I hardware. This is the project. I just open that, and now if you see, they're not found. Okay, just remap, everything gets rescued. Okay, so everything has got yeah, so close everything. There's no question marks now here. That's cool because I had yeah, so that's really cool. So just close that. Yeah, save and exit. Once you save and exit, you will no longer be able to access them in the Kicad 4 version, right? So that's one thing that you take into account. Now you go to the PCB layout editor. Same thing. This is a 3 watt LED driver. I see. Yeah, so you see it gets populated easily. Yeah, so it's all working great. So yeah, so this is one part of migrating. And another thing to know is that right now if you go into the project, go into that 3D driver and hardware, now you'll have this FBLab. So this is the footprint library. Okay, so I'll just open up my Atom just to check out what this table is about. This guy who's in. So here, if you open up the FBLab table, you see all the IP. So all my libraries get populated here. So there's no GitHub libraries at all, right? I'll just check out KiCad and just open up the layout here. So if you see yeah, so this is the place where the symbol library is there, right? So see users, see users, that's my name, the target, just short the app data. So that's the app data. Roaming, right? KiCad. Okay, and there you are. So you have FBLab table and the symbol label. So these are the two tables that I need to check out. So if you just go here, so right now this is the global FBLab table. So this is the project that I just deleted all the GitHub files, because I really didn't want that kind of a connection where in any live update to the GitHub files gets projected onto my projects. So I just deleted all of them and populated the footprint libraries with the local footprint libraries, which were verified by me. And similarly, right now we'll have something for the KiCad symbol library. So right now you see all these things have yeah. So now you will have my IP. So all my user defined guys are here. So what I'll do is, in order to KiCad recognizes these as priority and always kind of shows me these symbols and at the top. So I'll just cut this, I think Control X to cut it, and I'll just paste it on top, so that my libraries get preference. Let's see. So, yeah, Control Shift V. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Decent. I'm just gonna save it, I guess. Yeah, just save that. And I'm just gonna close my schematics. So you see, KiCad is a textual kind of a thing, so you don't have to necessarily go through the GUI method. You can just just like what I did, I just cut and pasted things, and now I just open it up, and if everything is good, it will not complain. Now if you see that my user defined libraries are on the top, because I just copied and pasted on the top. So now it's good here, so it's okay. So hope this video was useful, and if you're still thinking for migrating from 4.4 KiCad 4 to 5, let me tell you, it's worth it.